This time we're supposed to raise to the third power complex number expressed in trigonometric form. In order to make this problem looking a little bit simpler, I'm going to convert trigonometric form to polar form. I can simply write that this is equal 3.2 and angle of 21 degrees. Everything is raised to the third power. So again, I'm supposed to use the theorem, and I have 3.2 raised to the third power and 3 times 21 degrees. This is equal 3.2 raised to the third power is equal 32.76, and we have angle 3 times 21 degrees is equal 63 degrees. Okay, this is my answer in polar form, but because we raised to the third power trigonometric form, we're supposed to convert polar form again back to the trigonometric form. So I'm going to have 32.76 open parenthesis cosine 63 degrees plus j sine 63 degrees. And this is the solution to my problem.